This is another In Cuffs Crime Quickie. A North Carolina election official has been arrested after allegedly slipping cocaine and MDMA into the drinks of his granddaughters. 66-year-old James Yokeley Jr. is charged with felony child abuse, possession of a controlled substance, and 2 counts of contaminating food or drink with a controlled substance. Wilmington Police said in a statement that Yokeley flagged down officers at a gas station on August the 8th after his granddaughters found hard objects and blizzards they'd got from a Dairy Queen. Police confirmed that the girls, aged 15 and 16, ingested the pills. Detectives say surveillance video showed Yokeley placing the pills into the blizzards. He was arrested on August the 26th and has since bonded out. Yokeley's expected to be in court on September the 11th. The Republican chair of the Surry County Board of Elections resigned on Thursday. In a letter, he reportedly made light of what he called falsely accused circumstances.